Hello students, today's topic is a flexible manufacturing system. Before starting today's topic, still if you are not subscribed my channel means please subscribe it. Let me start topic. A flexible manufacturing system is a highly automated group technology machine cell consisting of a group or processing workstations interconnected by an automated material handling and storage systems and controlled by a distributed computer system. The main uses of any flexible manufacturing system in industry are it helps to quick changeover of operating instructions, and it helps to quick changeover of physical setup, and it easily identify the different part styles processed by any system. What is a flexible manufacturing system means is a production method that is designed to easily adapt to change in the type and quantity of a product being manufactured. Machines and computerized systems can be configured to manufacture a variety of parts and handle changing levels of a production. A flexible manufacturing system can improve efficiency and thus lower a company's production cost. Flexible manufacturing also can be a key component of a make-to-order production system. If we see the history of flexible manufacturing system, this concept developed by Jerome H. Lemelson. He is an American industrial engineer. Lemelson's flexible manufacturing system interventions debuted on factory floors in the US and Europe in the year of 1960s to 1970s. The flexible manufacturing system works includes a configuration of interconnected processing workstations with computer terminals that process the end-to-end creation of the product. From a loading, unloading function to machine and assembly to storing to quality testing and data processing. The system can be programmed to run a batch of one set of products into a particular quantity and then automatically switch over to another set of products in another quantity. A make-to-order production process that allows customers to customize their products would also be an example of flexible manufacturing system. If we see the key takeaways and pros and cons, the key takeaways are a flexible manufacturing system is designed up front to be readily adapted to change in the type of quantity of goods being produced. Production is largely automated and reducing overall labor cost. A flexible manufacturing system is, however, more expensive to design and put in place and requires skills techniques to keep it running. If we see the pros, the production line does not have to be shut down to set up for different product. If we see the cons, the highly upfront cost and a greater time required to design this system. If we see the advantage of flexible manufacturing system means the main advantage is it reduces the manufacturing cost, low cost per unit produced, greater labor productivity, greater machine efficiency, improved quality, increased system reliability, reduced parts inventories, adaptability to the CAD/CAM operations, shorter lead times, improve the efficiency, increase production rates. If we see the disadvantages, initial setup cost is high, substantial pre-planning, requirement of skilled labor, complicated system, maintenance is complicated. These are about the flexible manufacturing system.